We are just clearing the backlog. Dr. Ayappan Nair will be talking on anchor pullouts, poor tissue, and medialization in case if you need an card repair.
Thank you so much, Nilesh. My talk is on. I covered some part of this talk in the earlier part when I mentioned about utilization. So, our anchor has to be on the Glenard service. That's number one. But coming to utilization, there are two takes now. It's very interesting to know that. So, now, earlier, the thought process is that when we take the 2 millimeter of cartilage away from the glenoid surface, it gives a bony bed for soft tissue to heal up and also helps in the placation. But very recent study, 2024 study has come out that actually reduces the surface area, and maybe that's not a good thought. So there are two takes on the utilization. But still, I would take 2 millimeter of cartilage away, and I would definitely utilize. That is what I do on a regular basis. The first thing is to achieve the capsular shift. So capsular shift. So we had published this technique of capsular shear with antegrade suture faster. So here, if you can see this on the Glenard face. Second is the complete elevation and see where the anchor is put. The anchor is put not at 6 o'clock, it is at 5 o'clock, little more away. And see where the bite is taken. The bite is taken with the scorpion and going all the way down. That shift the capsula. As before that, elevation and the release till 7 o'clock is also very important. So this is important. The placement of the anchor at 5 is important, and the deeper bite will help you in the capsular application. That is the first thing which I would like to say. Then, always a double rope. We can always put a push lock and additionally put onto it. So we had this particular technique. So this is the most recent technique which you are publishing now. So we had a very interesting case. So if you can look through the video, you you can see the patient looks like a straightforward pancreatic types. So I did a work and research, and then uh, the patient you can see that it is a proper ALPSA. The tissue has gone down all the way. So I released it, put my 6 o'clock anchor normally how I do, and then I kept coming up. It was an ALPSA with the tissue gone down all the way. Now, see how when I'm taking a scorpion bite, in spite of that, the IGHL is not tightening up. The tissue is so lax. It's so very lax. So that's when I came up with this technique with, if we can, so I'll just go back and try to tell you what I try to do there. We call this the Nair Khan technique because okay, me and Dr. Prince Shahbaz, we write the papers together and see this is what we did. In extreme hyperlaxity, when the tissue is kind of very, very lax. So here at Gandhar, there are two limbs to the anchor. So we have, so it could be a, you know, this is one limb of the anchor. This is the second limb. This one limb, you go around. So make one pass. So the tissue rolls around. Take one more pass, it again rolls around. And you can do it till how much ever it the keratins and coils are. And this limb has to be passed through the again, it should not be coiled up. It should be passing through the soft tissue like a mattress. So I'll just repeat it. First you keep this one free. The second limb you keep coiling. Pass again, pass again, pass again, out. And this again pass again. This rolls up the entire tissue, and we were able to get a very nice tight thing. I'll just show how this is done. So this is my first pass. Okay, just pass it again. First pass like that, and so you can see tissue is so lax. So this is and the how do we know it is lax? Okay, one tissue is stretched out, and the shoulder and the head continues to be subluxated. See how much of laxity is that the tissue is actually coming onto the other side of the glenoid. So you pass it, and then with the elastic again you pass it to. You pass it again. So it goes in round and round into like a coil. So this is the coil. You can see the second part of the coil, the other thread also I've taken like that. So this I actually gave a very nice application. We're able to, completely tighten those.